with regard to the eruption of Taal volcano?
Well, let me do this here. We have SOPs in place. We have standard procedures. Everybody, when the volcano erupts or the storm comes or magkalindol or whatever, they know what to do. What we have to do is to monitor the situation and continue to see where are the areas, kasi it's not every situation is the same. So how do we adjust? Where are the areas that need special attention? Where are the areas that are okay? So yun ang ginagawa namin ngayon. But again, that's part of the SOP. The people that we have there know what to do. That's why I put them there. So we just monitor the situation, and as soon as possible, basta makapasok. Basta makapasok. Right now, PhilVox is saying, wag muna natin alalahanin masyado. But I'm sure they will play it safe. Pagka kailangan, we will have to move people out of the danger area like we always do. So that's what we are monitoring.